I used to hop pairs every day, chasing setups and losing a bunch of money. Sticking to one pair changed everything. Now let me show you why it's the most slept on move for new traders. No consistency equals no data and no edge. So every pair has its own personality, its own way of moving around, its own session. Each pair is its own world. You can't master anything when you dabble in everything. You want to find one pair, learn its rhythm, its key levels, its fake outs, its reaction to news. Start seeing how the patterns repeat, and you're gonna get more confidence. That's how it happened for me. When I started seeing the same things happen over and over, it's like, well, it's hard not to have confidence in the consistent patterns that you're seeing, and you get less noise and filter when you're only, you get less noise and you're able to filter out all the BS when you're only looking at one pair. This also cuts down on bad trades, over trading, and random losses. This way you get cleaner back testing. You're able to journal, more precisely. You can really manage your TPs and targets a lot better because you're only focused on one pair, one asset, and usually they have, some sort of finite ranges that they're going to be trading in, and you're able to track that a little better when you're only focused on one. Once I got the first pair, which was Euro USD for me personally, once I got that locked in, everything else kind of was able to click because the markets do move similar, and it's just a matter of understanding their context at different times. But you have to master one before you're able to, actually contextualize the rest of the markets, and that's something that a lot of traders miss on, and they just like taking signals and trading, this asset, that asset every other day, and it makes it so your learning curve is a lot, it takes a lot longer to learn this skill when you're bringing in so much extra noise. Pick one pair based on your session that you like. It could be NY, it could be Asian. It's really based on your preference. Me, when I first started trading, I was super in love with London trading. I like to stay up late night and trade those wee hours. Nowadays, I do trade a little bit more NY. I try to get my sleep in because I have the newborn. But London is still one of my best friends. So I'm not a London trader anymore. It's just I'm less of a London trader nowadays. But you want to pick a pair that has the most movement and liquidity during that session. Listen, if you're still hopping around, do yourself a favor. Slow down, lock in, and you're going to be able to actually, grow and develop your trading into a real profession that you've mastered a lot faster than trading, as many things as you can just because you have the opportunity to trade them. You understand? Y'all drop in the comments a pair that you trade, or like to trade, or want to trade. You know what I'm saying? Just want to see what the general community likes to trade the most. So go ahead and drop that in the comments. If you got some value out of this, quicker video, hit that like button, hit that sub button, and that bell icon. All that is going to tell the algorithm that this is good content and it needs to get pushed further. Quick little PSA, our website is down. It should be back up within like the next day and a half, 2 days ish. I'm going back and forth with the tech team and whatnot, trying to get that back figured out. But when you go on the website, that's why it's saying it's locked, because right now it's down for some maintenance reasons and whatnot. But we'll have that back up for you guys pretty soon. All right, I love y'all. Make sure you're kind of somebody today. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Hey, so if you want to support the channel, slide over to our merchandise store. We have new drops coming every single week. We got a whole bunch, got the summer coming up, so we had to hit you with the swimsuit over here, you know what I'm saying? We got the bags, we got hats, we got shirts. Go over there, find something you like. It supports the channel, helps us do more content, and all of that good stuff. So be sure to slide over there. There's going to be, again, new drops every single week, so make sure you check back every week to see if there's some new stuff that you like. I can't wait, because these slides right here are actually going to be coming. The drip LaFleur slides are coming out with LaFleur instead on the print. So that'll be nice, kind of meshing those two designs together. That's gonna be a cool little taste of summer while we have it all extra hot outside for you guys. So if you guys want to support the channel, go get your piece real quick. Prices aren't too crazy, but you know, inflation is inflation. But I love y'all.